Hello, 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 hello. It's Rhonda said, and I'm Rhonda. Just like my necklace says, I'm Rhonda. What's up, people? Party people in the house say, yeah! Yeah! Anyway, welcome to Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Or if not a fantastic day, then whatever kind of day you want. Because I'm not the boss of you. I'm also not the boss of this palette, which is the Disney Princess Cinderella palette from Sigma. And I've only used this once before, so I thought I would take this pretty picture of a palette and use it again. I do have a couple new palettes coming in the mail this week, so you will see some fresh new palettes right off the presses. It's been a minute. I've been revisiting a lot of cool palettes that I have, which there is nothing wrong with that because, you know, you have a bunch of palettes. What's good of them if you only use them once or twice? Word. And this is a beautiful, beautiful palette, and it's got just a great color story. And I think I'm going to start in my crease with this pumpkin color. That is very pigmented. That is way more pigmented than I expected. I'm going to just blend that out. And I do have hooded eyes. And look how beautifully that blended out. Like almost nothing. No effort. It is fantastic. Sigma is really, I think, underrated for quality of their palettes. Their makeup is really good and their brushes are excellent. And they have some really good sales. And it would be great investment for you to check out some of their brushes and some of their palettes. I'm not affiliated with any of that kind of stuff. I just know how to appreciate nice things. And I got my little asymmetrical hairdo slicked back today. I went to the pool. I did not put the pee in the pool, but I put me in the pool. And I go to this pool, and it has a regular pool, and then it's got a lazy river pool that's got a circular shape. And in the mornings before the swimming pool opens up, normally they have it available to be just walked in. So it's like a walking, like a track. And I really, really like going there. My friend Karen goes with me. Now I'm going to go into fantasy here. And my friend Karen and I go and we walk the pool together. Normally I would put this dark of a color at the end, but I'm putting it at the beginning today. Fantasy baby. And they play music. Today they're playing 70s rock anthems. Like, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Which is classic. And if you like the show Supernatural, which I do. I haven't watched the last couple of seasons of it, but I really enjoyed that show. It was really good. And the guys have gone on to do some other things. And it's very exciting. This is such a dark look. I'm going to have to brighten this the hell up. So I'm going to go into this color here, which is Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. And build that up from my lid into the crease. This looks like I've got black eyes. Oh my gosh. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. I love the cartoon Cinderella. I haven't watched the live action Cinderella from Disney, but I do love the cartoon. I'm just taking Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo and bringing it in here. It's really pretty. Even though it's dark, it's really pretty. It's not very summery at all, is it? And there's this beautiful pale, there's a really pretty lavender here. It's got like some purple reflex in it. But I think I'm gonna go into Wishful with my finger. And oh, that's not doing very much at all. But I will try again over here to see if it'll make any difference. And I got a little eyeshadow underneath my eye. They call that fallout. Maybe a little more on this side. That's pretty. It's dark, but it's pretty, and I should put a bold lip on. Let me blend out this side with the darkness a little more. It's so hard to get my eyes even because they're different sizes. But that looks pretty good. It's kind of a Robert Palmer look. The lights are on, but you're not home. Your mind is not your own. Your heart sweats. I don't think your heart sweats, but your brow sweats. That's how it goes. But I'm gonna put some eyeliner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. And voila, now there's mascara too. What in the butt? What in the butt? I'm in so much of a good mood. I'm so full of energy. What kind of lip should I do? Nude. My eyes are so bold. I will do my favorite Seductress number 65 Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. It's just the most beautiful nude color. And it looks fantastic. And I'm loving this look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this dramatic eye look for the summer. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.